Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video on my YouTube channel which is called Vlogs with Bajwa Aisha. If you haven't subscribed this channel yet, make sure to subscribe it first and don't forget to press the bell icon. Whenever I'll post a new video, you will get notified. My name is Aisha Bajwa and I'm doing MPhil in English linguistics from the International Islamic University, Islamabad. So today's video is about learning English language. So my first question is that why people wants to learn English language? Why? Like why not other languages like the Spanish and different languages? Okay. And other than that, why only American accent? I heard many people that they want to learn the American accent instead of that UK, Canadian, and Australian accents. They only want to learn the American accents, but why? First of all, I'll tell you that how can you improve your English? Okay, the first way that you can, enhance your English speaking skills is that try to surround yourself with English language environment, like put yourself in all English speaking environment where you can learn passively. By doing practice you can improve your English, and practice makes perfect. Okay, you must practice all four skills of the English, like I mean to say speaking, listening, writing, and reading, all four skills. If you practice the speaking, it will be beneficial for to enhance your all other three skills also. Okay, if I share my personal experience with you guys, is that I can't speak a sentence in the English before 3 to 4 years, you can say. The thing that enhanced my language is only, I think, YouTube. YouTube, in a sense that I love to watch the vlogs, especially in all the accents. It's not mandatory that I only fix to the American accent or American vlogs. No, I love to watch the native vlog, even it's American, Australian, Canadian, or it can be anyone of that. Okay, first of all, I'll tell you that I started watching the vlogs around 3 to 4 years ago, and my favorite vloggers that I used to watch are it's Simon and Kate. They are the Australian couple, and yeah, I also watch some of American couples and Canadian also. Uh, Anyways, let's move on. Okay, you must practice your language with the different people. Like as I told you earlier, that you must surround yourself with English language environment. It will be so beneficial for you. And other than that, you must read newspaper. Book reading is very beneficial for that, especially to enhance your lexicon of language, English language, and other than that, you know how to make the sentences, grammatical sentence, and like the grammar of the English, how to make the sentence, like helping verbs and all the connect parts of connected speech, all the things. You can learn through the newspaper as well. And then after that, you must revise the new words and the new vocabulary that you have learned from different things, and you try to use them in your daily life, in your daily routine. Try to use that vocabulary that you have learned, or and also give yourself a long term goal. Focus on the working towards it. You must stay consistent for that. Okay, stay consistent. If you're not consistent towards your learning language, then I don't think so you will be successful for that. Because okay, if I share my personal experience to you guys, uh, sometimes like it happens to all of us, that sometimes we don't want to study, and sometimes uh, uh, we have a lot of work to do, but we don't want to study, so it will always lose your points, obviously. So try to stay consistent to for having the grip on the English language, because it's not that easy. Okay, other than that, yeah, practice the words regularly, like words, or practice the language regularly, like 30 minutes a day, and you can, practice it very well. Okay, and other thing, important thing is that you must have an eye on the punctuation also, as it totally changed the meaning of the sentence. For example, check out the difference between the two sentences which I'll say now. A woman without man is nothing. This sentence have no punctuation in that, and if I put the punctuation, just look at the difference. Like, okay, a woman without her, man is nothing. These two sentences have totally the different meanings. You can understand, I think. Okay. Okay, other than that, yeah, one thing more. If you don't try to speak it, okay, like you thought that people will laugh at me, and they will make fun of you and criticize you that you are not doing well, you are doing many mistakes. So I don't think so. This is a big deal. Everyone do criticism. Even if you're doing good or bad, there are both peoples. There are people who appreciate you, even your mistakes, and you must learn from your mistakes. And there are many people who discourage you, and you must look forward towards a good people who motivate you. Even though if someone criticizes you, don't take it negative. Try to take it positive, as you must think that, yeah, if he is criticizing me, I should take it positively, and try to overcome this mistake. If as I'm talking about English language, I have seen, even though I'm in classes in my college and school level, there are many students who they want to speak English, but they're not able to speak English just because of criticism. They thought that other students will laugh at them, but no, they shouldn't be discouraged just because of that other students will laugh at them. Okay, if I share my personal experience in when I was in masters, I did my masters in English linguistics from the Islamic University of Bahawalpur, and I wasn't a I was an average student there. The thing that motivates me is always that whenever you do mistake and people will criticize you, uh, you must take that criticism as a positive way. Whenever the teachers asked me to present my presentation, I never shy. Okay, I just go to the stage and start speaking. Even maybe there may be some grammatical mistakes also, but yeah, I always learn from that, and I will recommend you too. Okay. um, I hope you like this video, and share with your friends. I hope it will be so beneficial for for especially the beginners who want to learn the English language, but they don't know how they can enhance, and how they can stay consistent. I know consistency is a bit difficult, especially for me. If I talk about my personal experience, for me consistency is a bit difficult. But I think one can stay consistent if he have super goal, and destination, and yeah, we can stay consistent then. Okay, so now I'm going to end this video, and I hope you all like this video, and again try to share this, and I want to know your views in the comment box below. So how can on which topic should I make the next video, and what about this video, is it helpful for you or not? And yeah, I want to know about you, that why you want to learn the English language, what's your goal? And thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, Go and subscribe it first. It's Vlogs with Pajwa Aisha. Thank you. Bye bye.